Welcome to this quick step-by-step guide on how to mute words on the X app outside your home timeline. If you want to avoid specific words or phrases in other parts of the app, such as notifications, search, or trending topics, this updated method will help you get it done easily. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access preferences linked to your profile. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu, where you can find your account and app customization options. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your privacy controls and content preferences are stored. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is all about managing how your activity and content are displayed, as well as controlling what you see from others. Now look for Muted and Block, and tap on it. This is where you can control muted accounts, muted words, and blocked profiles. Select Muted Words. This is the feature that lets you filter out terms you don't want to see across the platform. To add a new word or phrase, tap the Add button. A text field will appear. Type in the specific word or phrase you want to mute. This can be anything from names, slang, or topics you're not interested in seeing. After typing the word, you'll notice options on where the mute will apply. The home timeline option is selected by default, but since we want to mute the content outside the home timeline, uncheck that option. This way, the mute will still work in other parts of the platform, like notifications, search results, and recommended posts without affecting your main feed. Once you've set your preferences, tap Save to confirm. The change takes effect immediately, and you can always return to this menu to edit or remove muted words at any time. And that's it, you've successfully muted words on X outside your home timeline. Now your experience can be more focused and distraction-free, letting you enjoy the platform on your own terms.